Hello guys, today me and Give Me Your Hair will show you how to drive without a engine, or if you run out of gas. So first you need to start the car because if you don't it won't work, but if you already drove it then it will also work, but don't let the ignition turned on.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
First crouch, and then press the push button if you're on PC or mobile.
Build by the science guy. Build by the science guy. Build by the science.
What the hell, Give Me Your Hair, that's why you don't get paid enough. Her point of view. Thank you for watching.